VIP.
Sturdy young and I can hop on any beat and get the. I told her get up on her feet, she get the way she get.
What's up, YouTube? You guys, I am here with another video. I actually am doubling up on my videos because I have a request, dinner request, after I made myself some sushi. So you guys will see my sushi video. But I have a request from the brats that they want some of my famous chicken biscuits. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. And yeah, it's real simple, real cute little sandwich. Some people say it tastes like the chicken biscuits from McDonald's breakfast. Others say it tastes like a Popeye's chicken sandwich on a biscuit, because what you need is some Grand biscuits, chicken breasts, and pickles. So you guys are going to like the taste of the pickles. If you've ever had chicken sandwich from like Popeyes and stuff, the pickle always gives it that So that's what we're gonna be making today, guys. All right, so let's get started on our chicken. And yeah, let's get cooking, good lookings. All right, guys, so the first thing we're gonna make for our chicken biscuits is our biscuits. I like to get those in the oven. So I'm gonna I like to base my pan with coconut oil spray. And then I rip this and then pop this. I was karate chopping it like a crazy lady and I didn't even pop the thing yet. Oh yeah. See that? Seeing that, you guys? This one is the buttery, not just biscuits. I'm not gonna use all of my biscuits today. I don't think I'm gonna use, yeah, I'm just gonna use 4. I'm gonna wrap those up. All right, so it already says buttery, but you already know what time it is. I'm gonna put a little bit of butter on the top of it, just like so, just so that it can, just little slices, just to solidify what's going on, all right? So like this. So I'm gonna pop these in the oven, and then we're gonna start making our chicken. Oh, biscuits are on the way out. Start making our chicken, all right, guys? All right, guys, so I forgot to tell you in the last clip, to bake your biscuits for like 15 minutes, and the oven should be on 375. I normally just eyeball it. Once they're a nice golden color, we should be good. So right now I'm making some chicken batter. Not too much flour. I'll say 2 cups of flour. And I'm gonna say throw a little bit of that cornstarch in there. 2 tablespoons about. You guys know I'm the eyeball queen. I'm gonna be just throwing the chickens in the deep fryer today because I'm super lazy. And this is a request from the brats. So right now I'm gonna make, I'm gonna finish concocting up this flour mix, and then we're gonna make a nice little egg wash. So let me go and grab some eggs, and yeah, let's take our next steps, y'all. All right, guys, I beat some eggs for the egg wash, and so we're gonna season up our flour for the chicken. So we're gonna put a little bit of salt. We're going to put a lot of paprika because we want our chickens to have a beautiful color. Yes, we do. Whose accent was that? Next, we're going to do some onion powder. Onion powder. You guys should know that you have to season up your flour batter. I shouldn't have to be telling you that, right? All right, and some black pepper last. Onion, garlic, the usual players in the game, okay? Because they asked me to make this so sudden, I said, you know what? Being that I just was doing a sushi video, I said I'm gonna just cameras roll and let you guys see this cute little thing that I do for them sometime. It's not even nothing crazy, but it's tasty nonetheless. All right, so next is let's cut up the chicken breasts, and then let's start dipping. I have 3 nice fillets that I just washed. And because they're so thick, I don't know if you can see them, they're so thick, and big, I like to cut them in half. I added 2 more of biscuits because I looked at the chicken and said to myself, you know what? That's giving 6 different sandwiches. So we're gonna make these happen. All right. That one's nice and thin. This piece is not overbearing. Anything too thick, I cut them off, and I can always use the chicken for something else. I don't like it being extra thick like that. I'm gonna use that chicken, probably cut it up and make some chicken salad with that, you know, just that extra piece, because it shouldn't be too thick. It is just a biscuit and a chicken cutlet. All right, so let's start dipping. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in the egg. I'm gonna put it in the flour. All right, so put it in the egg and put it in the flour. Okay. They got me doing, you guys, with my quick meals. This is how I normally cook, just really fast, and I don't think a lot. I just do. All right, so you should have a beautiful, nice chicken like that. So I'm gonna dip all of these, flour them up, and then we're gonna fry them, guys. All right, so the chicken is still frying. So far, we got a nice little flaky little chicken cutlets, cute little shapes. I'm letting it dry off some more. Sometimes the basket doesn't drain the chicken enough for me. So as it's drying off, we're gonna finish up the biscuits, get the rest of the chicken out, and we'll be back with making our Sammy. All right, guys, so we took out the biscuits, nice and buttery, golden. So I'm gonna let them cool off. We're gonna cut them open. So I'm gonna just give them a second. I'm not gonna bother burning myself. And all of the chickens, oh my gosh, chicken basket just slid out of my hand. All of the chicken is done frying. All the chickens are done, and the biscuits are done. All right, so we'll be right back with the cutting of the biscuits. All right, guys, I let the biscuits cool down so that they're manageable. Just gonna grab them and cut them into half. These are so nice and soft, and I like the bottom to have a little to it. Being that we're making a sandwich, make it a bottom bun. Real easy, just cut them in half. You don't gotta be perfect. You see how easy they're cutting, by the way. And each sandwich, you're going to find your bottom bun. You're going to get a chicken cutlet, and you're going to get 2 pickles. I got me some Publix pickles. Gonna grab a cutlet and 2 pickles. Nothing crazy. Aren't they cute, you guys? Oh my gosh. Bottom bun. And 2 pickles. All right, so I'm gonna finish up these 3, and then we are pretty much done. All right, guys, look at that. So tasty. Some people put mayo. I don't really like to put any mayo. I feel like they're just fine the way they are. Cute, right? All right, guys, you know what it's time for. It's time to try it. All right, guys, we're back with our chicken biscuits. Real cute, simple recipe. The kids are gonna go